Smartphones have become our daily drivers in these days, and with addition to a smartwatch, it becomes even more cooler. So today we will be doing the unboxing of Realme Watch S. This one does come in black color and it sports an auto brightness screen. It does have a 15 days of battery life that keeps it running, and an Ip68 waterproofing. We do have its magnetic charger that's underneath this layer. It just snaps with this beautiful looking device. So let's just put them aside. So as I mentioned, it does have an Ip68 waterproofing. The body is made of metals, even along with the side buttons are also made of metal. The band is really soft and smooth and easy to wear. Let's power it on. It does support multi-functionality. Upper button is used to bring up the app drawer, mini app drawer, and I would suggest. And to again go back, you just have to swipe down. However, the bottom button only supports to summon the 16 modes that this watch has to offer. It does have a lot of different modes. Okay, so back button only summons them, so we'll have to just go by this one. It does support measuring of heartbeat. You can control different items of your phone like this. This is a stopwatch. Okay. Oh yeah, you can go back there. You can also check out how much have you slept. Well, this is how much I've been sleeping. And to go back, if you have a camera open, you can take the shots from here. And if you're playing music, you can control it from here, the volume, the pause and play, the next. Okay, we do have some of its settings. Well, these are not much, but just to customize. And if we just go back to the face of watch, if you will swipe right, you will see some basic settings including the brightness, power setting, night do not disturb mode, and some, I believe, yeah, these are the settings that we have seen before. And if you will swipe right, you will see some sports mode, weather, and yeah, the sleep as well, the heartbeats, and yeah, it's just okay, it's rotational. And if we will swipe up, it will bring up the app drawer again. So there you have it. If we talk about the sensors, there are different sensors we have provided with in order to measure the blood oxygen, the heart rate, the sleeping time, I would suggest. Yeah, that will also. And finally, if you would like to change the face of this watch, you can just swipe left. There are some provided within, and the rest are in this app. Yeah, it has an app that's connects with it, and some are, yeah, that's it. This one has been imported from the app, this one. So I'll make sure to provide a video where you can use and how to connect with the app and how you can modify it with it. So if you like this video, do subscribe for more, and see you there.